Ever wondered how to create a stunning landing page that captivates your audience instantly? Let's delve into the world of landing pages, a key ingredient in the recipe for successful digital marketing. A landing page, in essence, is your digital storefront, the first impression that can make or break a potential lead. Its primary purpose? To convert casual visitors into engaged leads, and eventually loyal customers. So how do you craft the perfect landing page? Stick around to discover the simple steps to creating a show-stopping landing page. A winning landing page has several key ingredients. First and foremost, your landing page needs a compelling headline. It's the first thing visitors see, and it's your chance to grab their attention. It should be clear, concise, and communicate the unique value your product or service offers. Next, you need engaging content. This is where you elaborate on the headline's promise, explaining the benefits of your offer in an easy-to-digest format. It's your chance to convince visitors that what you're offering is worth their time and money. Then come the eye-catching images. Visuals can help illustrate your offer's value and make the page more appealing. They should be high quality, relevant, and help support the message you're communicating. Finally, a persuasive call to action is crucial. This is what prompts visitors to take the desired action, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, downloading an ebook, or making a purchase. Now that we have the ingredients, let's move on to the process of assembling them into a captivating landing page. Creating a landing page is easier than you think. Here are the steps. Step 1. Choose a landing page builder. There are plenty of options out there, such as WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Do a little research, find the one that suits your needs, and get started. Step 2. Select a template. Most landing page builders provide a variety of templates. Look for one that aligns with your brand and the purpose of your landing page. Remember, you're not stuck with your choice. You can always tweak it later. Step 3. Customize the design. This is where you bring your landing page to life. Play around with colors, fonts, and images. Keep it clean and simple, but don't be afraid to show off a little personality. Step 4. Add content. Your landing page needs to tell a story. What's your offer? Why should visitors care? Use compelling headlines, persuasive copy, and engaging visuals to answer these questions. But remember, less is more. Keep it concise and to the point. Step 5. Integrate a form for lead capture. This is the heart of your landing page. You want to collect visitor information so you can follow up with them later. Make sure your form is easy to find and easy to fill out. Step 6. Test and optimize. This is an ongoing process. Experiment with different designs, copy, and calls to action. Monitor your analytics to see what's working and what's not. Then, make adjustments accordingly. Remember, a landing page is never truly finished. It's a living, breathing entity that needs to evolve with your audience and your business. So don't be afraid to make changes, try new things, and always strive for improvement. And there you have it, a stunning landing page ready to capture leads and convert visitors. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We delved into the essence of landing pages and their vital role in digital marketing. We explored the indispensable elements of a landing page, including compelling headlines, persuasive content, and a strong call to action. We then walked through the step-by-step process of creating a landing page. Remember, a stunning landing page is more than just a pretty design. It's about creating a seamless journey for your visitors that persuades them to take action. Now it's your turn to create a landing page that will make a lasting impression. Good luck.